We've compiled a short list of top tips, which you should take into consideration before installing Fibo wall panels. And here they are. Tip 1. We recommend giving the panels a full visual inspection before installing, just to check that everything's in order. Tip 2. When starting the installation, cut and prepare the panels using the dry fit method. So before gluing them into place, check the panels fit perfectly together. Tip 3. Fibo wall panels can be fitted to stud-work, plasterboard or even over existing tiles. But it's important the surface is solid, so remove any loose tiles before starting work. Tip 4. Finally, to make the click joint easier to install, use a method tried and tested by our most experienced installers. Run a candle along the edges and you'll find they should easily click into place.